Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a video background onto your Wix.com site. So the way we can edit and change our background in Wix is that we'll have to start from the Wix website editor right here, right? And if you don't know how to get here, you'll have to start from the dashboard here, and you can click on this button to edit your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to the Wix website editor. Now you can see here, there's already a button to change the background, but if you don't see it, you might need to click out and then click in again on the background, and you'll see you can change the background right here. So let's try, change the background. And you can see that right now, we're given a couple of options, which is color. This is gonna give our website a solid color. An image, which will change our website to be an image. So for example, something like this, right? Or a video, which is the thing we want. So let's try video. Now on video, you can upload your own, or you can pick from any which one of this uh, preloaded stock video that Wix has. So for example, I want this video of water reflection sand on my Wix.com site as the background. Let's click on change background. There you go. Now give it a second to load. Now this is the video. Now it might look static right now, but when we click on preview give it a second to load. You can see the background is now an image of this, right? Or a video, sorry. And it doesn't stop there. There's a lot of customization you can do. Like if I click on change background and settings, you'll see that there's a couple of video settings we can add, like an overlay pattern. So this overlay pattern will make it look like it's like a TV, right? A big billboard TV or something like this as well, something like this. There's a lot you can customize here, right? Or you can make it none at all if you want. And of course, you can also change the video opacity. So it can be lighter or transparent. You can also add a color behind the video. So for example, if the color behind the video is like this, right? And if I make the opacity lower, you'll see that the color behind the video will change, right? If I make it something like orange or something like this, you'll really see the difference here. I'm gonna make it white again though. So I'm gonna turn the opacity all the way up again. And you can also change how the video is positioned, just like this, although it's a very minor change that you can barely see. But there you go, see? It's like that. You can also change the play speed if you'd like. So you can make it a normal play speed, or you can make it slow, or you can make it very fast. Although if you make it this slow, you might see it stutter, because I'm pretty sure this is 60 FPS. And if you make it 0.25, it'll look like it's tracking. Well, it's like how if you watch YouTube and you turn it to 0.25, it'll be like not through slow motion. You know what I'm talking about. And you can also play it in a loop as well. So if you turn this off, after this video runs out, it'll just stop and it'll turn to a static image. Nevertheless, that is how you add a Wix video background